Mason, what you doing?
Ding dong.
Yeah, that should be hurting your ding dong. What are you doing?
Whoa, whoa. Hammer. Ow.
Say hi.
Hi.
Look at the camera and say hi. Mace. Oh my. Mace. Say hi. Look at the camera. Look at mommy. Dang. Look at that baby. You two are just a trip. Look at the slobber. Good. Really good. Yeah. Look how clever. Are you clever? You're standing. Oh, Lord, have mercy on me. That's it. Teach him. Teach him how to scream. He will be biting you soon because he's getting his bottom teeth. And then you'll be in for a rude awakening. Say hi, everybody. Say, I'm all forehead. Someday the hair will even that out.
I got it.
You're a monkey?
Blanket.
Maybe you should have been the monkey for Halloween. No, no blankets. Oh, Lord.